Today, we're talking about something that is quietly shaping every decision you make, every emotion you feel, and every result you experience, and that is your internal dialogue. The voice inside your head is not just commentary, it is programming, it is instruction, it is repetition, and whether you realize it or not, you are constantly obeying it. Most people think they need more motivation, more discipline, or more confidence, but what they actually need is control over the conversation happening inside their own mind. Because you do not act based on reality. You act based on the story you are telling yourself about reality. The story runs automatically unless you interrupt it, and if you do not learn how to master your internal dialogue, it will master you. Your internal dialogue is the bridge between thought and emotion is what drives behavior. When the voice in your head says, "This is hard," your body tightens. When it says, "I always mess this up," motivation drops. When it says, "I'm behind," urgency turns into anxiety. None of those reactions are logical. They are conditioned responses. And the most important thing to understand is that you did not consciously choose most of the thoughts you think. They were learned, repeated, absorbed, and practiced over time. That means they can be changed. The mind learns through repetition and emotional reinforcement. The thoughts you repeat with emotion become beliefs. The beliefs you hold become your identity, and your identity becomes your results. This is why internal dialogue is not a mindset, nice to have kind of thing. It is a non-negotiable skill for personal transformation. High-level performers do not have fewer negative thoughts. They have better control over how quickly they interrupt them, reframe them, and replace them. They understand that the first thought is often conditioning, but the second thought is a choice. If you let the first thought run unchecked, it becomes truth. If you catch it, question it, and redirect it, you take back control. Most people talk to themselves in ways they would never allow from another human being. They are harsh, absolute, and emotionally loaded. Words like always, never, can't, behind, too late, not enough. The nervous system listens to language literally. It does not know the difference between imagination and reality. When you repeatedly tell yourself a limiting story, your body responds as if it was true. Stress increases, focus narrows, creativity shuts down. This is not weakness, this is biology. Mastering your internal dialogue is learning how to speak to your nervous system in a way that creates safety, clarity, and direction. That does not mean lying to yourself or being unrealistically positive. It means becoming accurate, intentional, and constructive. Instead of, "This is overwhelming," you learn to say, "This is unfamiliar and I can learn it." Instead of, "I always fail," you say, "I'm building skill through repetition." Instead of, "I'm not ready," you say, "Readiness is built through action." Language shapes perfection. Perception shapes emotion. Emotion shapes action. Action shapes identity. And identity shapes destiny. This is the master transformation framework in motion. Today, your job is not to eliminate negative thoughts. Your job is to notice them, name them, interrupt them, and replace them with language that aligns with the identity you are building. The version of you are stepping into speaks differently. They do not dramatize. They do not catastrophize. They do not negotiate with fear. They use language that stabilizes their nervous system and directs their focus forward. Every time you consciously change your internal dialogue, you weaken the old neural pathway and strengthen a new one. Over time, the new voice becomes automatic. This is how real transformation happens, not overnight, but permanently. From this point forward, treat your internal dialogue as a training ground. Catch the tone, catch the absolutes, catch the emotional charge. Ask yourself, is this thought useful? Is it accurate? Is it aligned with whom I'm becoming? If not, replace it, not with hype, with grounded truth, with clarity, with direction. This is how you move from being run by your mind to leading it. And the more you practice this, the more calm, confidence, and consistency you will experience. Master the voice inside, and the outside follows. That is the work. That is the path. And that is how identity is built from the inside out.